Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to find the videos you have liked on YouTube. Log into your YouTube account if you are not already logged in. In the left sidebar, you can find a section called You. Under this section, click on Liked Videos. You will be navigated to your liked videos page. On this page, you can find all your liked videos. Most recently liked videos can be found at the top and older videos can be found below. To delete a video from this page, just hover over the video and click the three dot icon. Select Remove from liked videos from the menu. As you can see, the videos has been removed from the liked videos page. This is how you can find the videos you have liked on YouTube. Thank you for watching.